Next lock that I will attempt and open on camera is this FANAL. And this lock I got from Mexico last time. It's only secured on one side. I believe we can shim it because there's quite enough space to do so here. You can see it for yourself. I believe I can stick my pick inside. Even. Yep, goes inside. So it's not a high quality lock, I would say. Does the bidding? And it does work. I did spray a little bit of lube inside because I think there was enough grit that was depriving me of some feedback. One thing that I found interesting about this lock, however, is that you can open it on both sides. It works on both sides. It's like a safe lock. And secondly, there are no security pins. That much I can at least feel, but it's not that easy to pick actually. I mean, it takes a while to feel the pins. It is a fun pick though. Let's see if we can pick it on camera. It's a decent amount of time. Okay, I'm pretty sure I was set number 1. If there are security pins, and I only say an if, because sometimes I hear more than one clicking, but I'm not sure if it's the sand or the grit that is inside, or if there are really some security pins like serrated pins. But there you go, open. Anyway, it was a fun pick. So if you guys go to Mexico, even though it's produced in Mexico, I don't really recommend it. I don't think it's worth the money. And for example, here it says it's hardened, but look at this. Let me focus. Come on, camera, please, be so kind. There we go. You can see it seems like it's coated with some stuff, and it's even falling apart. So quality-wise, not that good. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching and keep it legal. Cheers.